Hey everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through how to go live from FastPix Live Streaming Dashboard. At the outset, our dashboard allows you to use a good subset of our live streaming product features. By itself, the dashboard is quite sufficient for intermittent live streaming, whereas developers building advanced workflows start on the dashboard before moving to using us through APIs. That said, let's get started. First up, click on Create Live Stream. A payload form will appear. Here, you can customize any values, like choosing whether the stream should be public or private. Once you're ready, click Run Request. Once the stream is created, click View Stream to open it. At first, you'll notice the status says idle. That's because nothing is being streamed yet. Totally normal. Now, let's get things rolling. We support RTMPS and SRT formats, but in this video, we will show RTMPS. Head over to the Broadcast Options section and copy the RTMPS URL. Then for broadcasting, we'll be using OBS or Open Broadcaster software to broadcast. OBS is a free and easy-to-use broadcasting software. Here is how you configure it. First, open OBS. Then go to Settings and under it click Stream. Here, set the service to Custom. Then paste the RTMPS URL you copied from FastPix Dashboard into the server field. Likewise, paste the stream key from FastPix Dashboard into the stream key field. With that done, OBS is now connected to FastPix RTMPS stream. Now, let's add the video you want to stream. You do this in OBS, where you click Add Your Media. This could be a video you want to loop or anything else you want to broadcast. And then press Start Streaming. That done, jump back to your FastPix dashboard, give it a few seconds, and watch the magic. Your stream status will go from idle to processing to active. Once it's active, your live stream is now playing. Now to test your live stream, just grab the HTML embed snippet here, open it in Visual Studio Code or any IDE, and paste in your playback ID. Then run the live server. And there you go. You are now live streaming. You can also stream to external platforms or browsers using the RTMPS or SRT URLs. For example, copy the RTMPS URL and open it in Safari. Just replace the playback ID at the end with yours. Same goes for SRT if you're using tools that support it. To keep an eye on how your live stream is doing, switch over to the Activity tab. Here, you'll see real-time stats like how many viewers are watching, how your video and audio bitrates are performing, and your frame rate flow. You can also pause or resume stream health tracking anytime, giving you full control over the monitoring. This is super helpful for making sure your stream stays smooth, stable, and viewer-friendly. More often than not, you want to control who can view your stream to only a select audience. This is where our access policy options like public and private come into play, especially the private setting option, which allows you to secure your live stream. To enable this option, just like before, create your live stream and set it up using OBS. No changes till there. Post that. Here's the difference. When you set the stream to private, you'll notice the stream URLs now require a JWT token. Don't worry, it's super easy to generate. Head over to the FastPix's Settings tab, then click on Signing Keys. Now hit Generate New Key. This gives you two things: a signing key ID and a private key. Now go to jwt.fastpix.app. Paste in your signing key ID, private key, and your playback ID. Hit Generate and boom, you've got your JWT token. Then just copy the JWT and paste it into your streaming URL where it asks for it. That's it. You now have a secure, private stream that only works with a valid token. If you're looking for advanced features or want to build custom workflows, check out our guides or dive into our powerful live streaming APIs. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.